you've become nonchalant. Awusana ndaba ukuthi uyakhala akakhali.
Funny enough, yazi ukuthi ngiyamzwela.
Okay.
Ngiyamzwela.
You can see the brokenness.
Angisho mina, I know the man I got married to.
Sure.
And this is not the one. And it's painful. Sometimes ngicikekela mina why ngizubuhlungu. Because I can see that this person is not okay. And ngifisa ngathi yay iba right. Ngimkhumbuza ukuthi nangwena. Not ngoba kuvuna mina, but ngoba kwenza umuzi wakho.
I love you enough to say to you, this is who you are. Remember.
Yes,
Remember who you are.
Yes. Yeah. Now, if wena lokho kusho kwami kanjalo kukwenza ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi no, it's because you are leaning more towards iside elithize, that mina yabo mina anginayo into yokuthi angidefine umshado, angidefine isithembu, angidefine ukuthi ngiwunkosikazi kaSibanibani. I'm myself after ngiwunkosikazi wakho. So awukwazi ukucabanga ukuthi kune role mhlawumbe engithi mangiyibuka la emshadweni wethu ngiyihalela, angikhali nje. Kahle hle ngihappy kakhulu kube mina. Mangingathiwa khona yabo leyo ukuthi kuthi ufuna ukuba ubanibani. No, akulona. But manje inkinga leyo mentality ivala amehlo ukuthi mangizama ukukubonisa ukuthi iyoshayisa inqola ngoba wena unento ukuthi kusho ukuthi ufuna ngizwe ngawe. Yenza ungasabona noma ngizama ukukubonisa genuinely, because I'm very genuine. If there's one person or genuine ekutheni lo wamuzi awube right ngaphandle kokufuna ukuthi usebenzele yena, it's myself. So if wena sewufikela ungasakwazi ukubona khona ukuthi lo muntu genuine, angikwazi ukwenza ukubone lokho.
Look, we've been seeing Amazwibela on the show here and there, that there was a season where certain people were struggling and you were assisting, which is not wrong, by the way. Ukusiza umndeni ukuthi ubambeke ume.
And I've never mentioned that.
Right?
Have I ever?
Not you. Get sure.
Thank you, because now ngathi ngiphume ngamemezela. Angazi.
And do you then now regret doing that ngoba ngathi sekuweaponize lokho ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi uSibanibani ngoba wayesiza?
Hi guys, I love Thobile. Anyway, this one said, baby uyafoster. Hayi ke sana yini ke manje ayifostayo? Hayi cha shem, some people bayaphapha yazi. And she has never told us that she helps the family financially. Lutho shame. I think umusa owasho. Yeah, I think so. We're sleeping on a great facilitator. This guy is good. Oh honey, Lungelo. I Shem, he's the best. Nothing will make me hate Makhumalo. Her feelings are very valid. Yes, 100%. Yeah, now she is genuine, 100%. I like this guy asking the right questions we wanted to ask. Makhumalo, choose yourself, Sisi. A very smart, humble, intelligent, and independent woman. 100%. What I love about Makhulu, she's respectful and loves unity. Mseleku just failed her. She was always hands-on and very supportive. Yes, I agree. What a lady. I love this woman. This one said, Uthobile is growing. Myekeni akhule. This is her journey. Umseleku akekho right. Loya baba uyahlukumeza. Uthobile ubzwile ubuhlungu. The fact that you helped me build myself doesn't mean that you can break me anytime you feel like. Uthobile unqaba ngaye manje. Umseleku promised ungathatha unkosikazi la akathatha khona omunye, but he did. That broke Uthobile, understandably. Yeah, ne? Uthobile akasamthanda umusa. Hayi ke wena nje uThobile ungamthanda umusa. Come on now. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. That's it from me. Please share your thoughts under the comments and I'll see you guys on my next one.